Working from home or remotely has become a new norm for everyone. We will find ourselves communicating more through emails, calls, and as well as video conferences. The problem is the built-in cameras on our laptops is kinda sucks. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Way episode 51. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we're checking out an all-in-one smart conference camera from IMAGO, the IMAGO UC 100 Pro Limited Edition's Huddlecam. Let's begin with the design. The design is very simple with two microphones array facing forward. Next to it is the camera and an AI face tracking touch button. There's a speakers on the top with a subwoofer on the back. IMAGO is serious with its sound output even in this small form factor's camera. It comes with a long 1.8 meter USB wire that can hook to your PC or TV without the need of extension. At the bottom is a bracket where you can mount it onto your PC monitors and TV. You also have a 1/4-inch screw mount if you want to install onto a tripod. Featuring a high quality SONY 2K camera sensor with a 94-degree ultra wide lens. It does face tracking and auto framing, which is great for presentations, especially if you need to move around. When it detected more than one person, it will auto-adjust to fit everyone. The video quality is way better compared to the general built-in cameras on our laptop. The dual microphones features echo cancellations and noise reduction for a more pleasing video conferences experience. Here's a quick microphone test with the IMAGO UC 100 Pro. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. Next is the speaker test.
I can hear your voice.
It's pretty loud and clear. It's ideal for huddle rooms or medium-sized conference room. The IMAGO UC 100 Pro is driverless, so it plug and play on both Windows and Mac OS. It works with most conferencing applications like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, IMAGO Flash, and many more. The IMAGO UC 100 Pro is a well-designed all-in-one smart conference camera. You get a high-quality webcam, clear microphones, and loud yet crisp speakers in one Huddlecam. No messy wires setting it up. For more information, check the link in the description box below. Thank you IMAGO for sponsoring these videos. That's all from me on the IMAGO UC 100 Pro Limited Edition's Huddlecams. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.